Another items are up, guys. So, what's up? Another reviews we are going to do to this product that we ordered on AliExpress. So guys, just relax and focus on it. Nowadays, most of us, no matter what status of life, always suited on mobile phones, computers, or any gadgets that possesses radiation without knowing its effect on our health. We should aware, guys, that too much exposure to any devices that emits radiation have negative effects to our body, and everyone should know, like delay congenital development, Tachycardia syndrome, headache, impaired immune system, fatigue, and eye problem. So guys, it's important to use this one every time we use computers or any phones or devices to avoid that bad effect. This is an anti-blue light eyeglasses. Offer a range of features or benefits. It's designed to protect, guys, and balance your eye health. This glasses block harmful blue light emits of any electronic devices like cell phones, laptops, and other gadgets, protecting your eyes from radiation. The lenses of these sunglasses, guys, features particularly useful for those who move between indoor and outdoor environments, ensuring a comprehensive protection against harmful ultraviolet light. As I noticed, guys, the best to its lenses are replaceable, allowing you for an easy maintenance and extent of your use. Upon opening the product, guys, come with a free glasses bag for easy storage and transportation, a cloth for cleaning and maintaining the lenses, a service card that provides the additional support and service needed, and a live tester to check the condition of the lenses over time. I really love it design, guys. So fashionable, their color option also, and a style that will match your personal fashion preferences. It also comfortable fit, designed to wear, making suit to my extended use. These glasses is perfect for me, giving me a comprehensive solution for protecting my eyes while offering the style and comfort. This product is super useful. It filters out blue light, potentially reducing digital eye strain, improving your sleep and enhancing focus and learning ability from individuals who spend long hours in front of computer screen, for students who study long hours or use electronics devices for extended period of time, and to everyone out there who loves watching TVs or playing video games. So guys, always remember that our health is our wealth. So grab this item now on AliExpress on its super low price. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.